Mr. Reed,
Yes, sir.
good morning to you. Which case are you here on?
Well, I got a message that you wanted me to try to join something about Lori Allen.
Well, yes, you're good to go, Mr. Zedek. I appreciate that, TJ. Ross is here also.
Okay.
As you know, that matter is quite complicated and involved. It's set for a hearing tomorrow at 2:30.
Yep.
Miss Allen is in custody. And I said it because I didn't know where else to put it.
That's fine.
For tomorrow, and I have to go. I can't be here tomorrow. I thought I would be done by 2:30 and I won't be.
Okay.
So, and I didn't, you probably got witnesses subpoenaed and people ready to come.
But yeah, I mean, if we need to adjourn, that's fine. I mean, I would tell Ross my offer on that would be if she admitted to the contempt, we'd recommend time served and no additional jail. Obviously, she's been in for a period of time, and minimum fines and costs.
Well, we might even be able to accomplish that today. If we can't, I would be inclined to give her a PR bond and set the matter for a hearing on a date that I'm available.
There's no objection to that, Your Honor. If the court,
Right.
if she's not amenable to that, there's no objection from the city on issuing a PR bond today.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yep, and
Oops, I muted you, TJ. I'm sorry.
that's all right. My wife.
I wish I could do that. I wish I could do that in real life.
So if you need me, shoot me an email and I should be able to get back on. I have some availability now. I'm done with what I had this morning.
All right, thank you. That is
Yep.
in all the Lori Allen cases, 221162 to 1168. Ross, have you had a chance to meet with her yet?
Yeah, I met with Miss Allen out at the jail.
Do you think she'd be amenable to
I
that?
believe so.
All right, perhaps Ross and I can accomplish that here today.
Okay.
I did get a letter from her that I will share with both of you. All right, thank you, TJ.
All right. Thanks, Judge. Have a good day.
As if we didn't have enough to do, Ross, but we'll see where we can go with that. Good morning, Miss Allen. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I got your letter and I shared it with your lawyer, Mr. Truckee. And I discussed it with Mr. Reed, the Sturgis City Attorney. And so I had you brought in this morning as opposed to tomorrow afternoon to address this. So Mr. Truckee is here with us now. This matter is set for tomorrow, but after talking to Mr. Reed and Mr. Truckee, I asked to have you brought over here today.
Okay.
So
Can I say something?
just a minute. Let me call the case. This is
Oh, sorry.
multiple cases of the city of Sturgis versus Lori Allen. They are file number 221162, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 61, 221155, 53, 54, 52, 51, 50, and 49. I think there are 15 of these. They are set for a hearing tomorrow on multiple zoning violations. Tomorrow at 2:30. Miss Allen wrote me a letter asking if I could please get her out of jail. We discussed the matter with Mr. Reed earlier this morning, and he agreed if you admit to these charges, he has no objection to time served. And Miss Allen at this point, you've been in jail for 12 days. So you would get out today. And he asked that fines be minimal and that I give you time to pay them. Mr. Truckee, is that your understanding?
Yeah, my understanding was admitting to the contempt portion of the
Yes.
charge, not admitting to the substance of the violations, but to.
Yeah, they've already been
They've already been
resolved.
Yeah.
All right. Miss Allen, do you understand that if you admit to the contempt, which is continuing to go into the premises after you were ordered not to, that you could be given up to 90 days in jail? The recommendation is that you get time served, meaning you get out today. Understand?
Yes, I do.
Other than that, did anyone promise you anything
No,
or threaten you?
no.
Now, there are a lot of these. They all just sort of fall into one continuing violation. You would have a right to have a hearing regarding that contempt, or it must be established beyond a preponderance that you committed the contempt. Mr. Truckee would be here with you and he was ready to try the case tomorrow. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
And do you acknowledge that you had been barred by the city of Sturgis from returning back to that property?
Oh, yes.
Well, I would ask, if Miss Allen wants to take advantage of the plea agreement, I'm not.
Oh,
sure
she
if
said
that's-
she did.
Okay, I may.
Yeah,
have
she
not-
said she did.
Right.
Is that correct, Lori?
Yes, right. Just, my daughter came home to die. She went back to the hospital, so I'll agree to whatever for my daughter. I just wanna see
All right.
her.
All right, so this all revolves around your property at 316 South Clay. And you had been told on multiple occasions not to return there. And you did as recently as I think most of these are May. June, May and June. Is that correct?
I think so, yes.
Ross, Vivian's gonna be here at 11. So we'll be able to talk to that client, at least make a record. This case has a long history and a lot of cases. But defendant admits contempt. Order 12 days, credit 12 days. Laura, you're gonna get out of jail probably before lunch, or maybe you'll get lunch. Will someone come pick you up?
Yes, yes, I have, yeah, my daughter and I have right home. Oh, right, Sturgis. Can I at least can I check my mail at least, or should I just put it on hold?
You can go there and check your mail. Don't enter the house.
Okay, I won't.
Where is your mail? In the mailbox?
Yeah, right on the front porch is the mailbox. I can just walk up the steps, grab it and leave.
All right, you're free to do that.
Thank you.
but otherwise, we're gonna be right back in this. I'm gonna do 0 fine. The compliance orders remain in effect. All right, do you have any questions?
No, like if I know you say I can't go on a property, but like, cause all my dead family stuff's there. How do I do that?
Well, I
What do I do? Or
gave
do we
you
just
time to
wait?
get it out of there and you did not. So you don't
I
do
have-
anything without the consent of
Okay.
Mr. Pritchard.
Okay. I won't.
And, all right. You do
Thank
have
you.
consent to go get your mail. All right, you're gonna get out of jail. We don't have a hearing tomorrow. And I'm sorry about the circumstance with your daughter. That's why I felt it
Thank
was
you.
maybe important to get you out of there. But I meant what I said. I think I got your attention. So
Yes, you
you're
did.
free to go.
I want to be here.
All right. you're
Thank you
good
so
to go.
much. Thank you.
All right, and then if you'd ask the bailiff to check in with me